Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix internal server or 500 error on your Bluehost WordPress. So to do this, you need to go to your websites right there on Bluehost, and now you need to scroll down and click on settings. After that, you want to go ahead and go on File Manager, or you can also find it on Advanced Settings right there, and just click on File Manager like so. After you are here, you want to click on public HTML here. And now you do not see the files which are hidden. So you want to, now when you are here on your file manager, you're going to click settings. And here you can see that show hidden files is basically you need to click on this one. And after that, you're going to click save. And as you can see, there is this file. Now you want to go ahead and edit it and rename it like so. And you want to do this, just write down old and rename the file. And after that, your server error should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.